Hey guys, guess what? Today we are going to be unstuffing my 26 bi-weekly savings challenge. So I did have like some extra cash where I got rid of some things in my closet. So that's how I was able to get this stuffed a little bit earlier. And this right here doesn't take as long as like my 52 weeks savings challenge, or my 54, or the 100 envelope savings challenge, or the 50 envelope savings challenge. This one right here, you can accomplish this a little bit faster, and this is good for low income because the amounts aren't that high, but you can save around almost like $500. So that is going to be the fun stuff that we're going to be doing. And then also I'm going to be showing you guys my newest savings challenge, which I thought was like super cute and it's very useful. Before we hop into that, guys, hello, my name is Tina and I do a lot of different type of budgeting videos, reviews of things, ways to save money the fun way, and all that other stuff. So if you have not already joined the family, guys, go ahead. What are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button. Like I always say, this don't come out of your budget. It don't charge you nothing to click the subscribe button. And then also make sure to click the notification bell to make sure that you don't miss any of these upcoming videos, okay? Because sometimes I post some back to back, sometimes I post some here and there, you never know. So just make sure that you subscribe, comment, like, and share. Let me know what you think. All right, so I am going to go ahead, which I am like super excited. So this is what this baby looked like before. So we're going to unstuff it now. It may be a little bit more. I forgot how much this is going to total to because it's not the original 26 bi-weekly savings challenge. You know, with my savings challenges, I always add a twist to it. Like my 52 weeks, I added an extra $1 to each week. So yeah, so mine's was like a totally different. And then with my 26 weekly savings challenge, I did add a little bit of extra things to it. So this is my money envelope that I'm going to actually be putting my money in once we stuff it. So I am actually, let's talk. This is not going to be a very long video, guys. So let me know in the comments. We're going to go ahead. We're going to talk. I'm not going to speed this up. We're just going to talk. So in the comments, guys, let me know if you are doing a 26 bi-weekly savings challenge, which is pretty much, I feel like the 26 bi-weekly savings challenge is a good challenge for those that are just pretty much starting with, because I'm not going to lie to you, I did not feel overwhelmed doing this now with my 52 weeks and my 54 weeks savings challenge. And even with the 100 envelope savings challenge, it can be overwhelming because it looks like you're never going to get to finish. And if you're starting at the beginning of the year, and if you got to go to the end of the year, it's like this is going to take me like forever. So this right here was like pretty much calm. The calm before the storm, right? So, and I know you guys are going to ask me, hey, Tina, what are you going to put this money towards? My bingo money, Pink Cloth Bingo Bliss that we play live on my channel here. I was going to say, I was thinking that I was on my other channel, on my other social media. But I'm going to take that and put that towards my Lowe's card because I need to get that paid down. And that's the fun things about having and doing savings challenges, is because you can just take the extra money that you save and put it towards debt. Now, I know some people are going to be like, you can put that in an HYSA, but sometimes, like I said, everybody's mindset and how they save and also how people learn, it's not all the same. So some people can save by just using this one has a lot of ones in it, but you know, like just having a debit card, they have the discipline. And like I said, I was not taught. So I am learning this the same way you are learning this. We are learning this together. And I'm just showing you guys what I'm coming up with to save. And hopefully you can use, you know, the same strategy or take it and twist it and make it to your own. That's what I said. This one, I am actually going to pretty much be starting this one back over. I can see it now, and I don't know the exact amount. Is that bad, right? I made the challenge, but I don't know exactly what the amount is that I am actually going to be saving. But you know what? Surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise. It's a meme going around. It's a lady that's just on the thing that they have, and it goes, surprise, surprise. Cracks me up every time I see that thing. All right, so we got a 20 back here. So with this challenge, you should probably not have any 50s unless you're tripling your money or doubling your money. So you shouldn't. So the most you would have to get for big bills would be just 20. So that's another thing. So if you're just starting out, this would be perfect to start out with. Oh, I still got money right here. I'm tripping. And I do like how my money is folded just in half, because I know in my 52 weeks, I do love it how it gets, because it gets like super chunky and super bulky. But this is when it's time to take all of the cash out. This, I gotta say, this is so much easier. And that's how it, I have the money in my 52, not my 52 weeks, my Alpha Savings Challenge, which I am determined on that one. That one right there is for car savings. So that's why I said I have some extra ones back here. So that's what I meant by I'm not sure of the exact amounts of how much this should end, because each time it can be different, because some of these I did put a little bit, like a couple dollars extra. So each time it's possible to get a different amount. So it depends on how aggressive you are savings. And like I said, I want to know if you guys are doing the 26 bi-weekly, because I know there's other challenges out there, or what savings challenge you are doing and what you will be using it for, which is awesome. I am so proud of myself. Like, it ain't even the end of the year and I've completed my challenge. All right, so we are done. And so since this book is reusable, so I can just start this back over and reuse it and do this challenge again, which I definitely am going to start doing that, because that was like an easy way to gain some money. All right, so let's go ahead and let's count our cash. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60. So we got 160 and 20. So we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50. Ooh, looking good, looking good. All right, let's see what you got in fives. Okay, 310 already. All right, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so we got 100. Looking good, looking good. All right, so we got $2. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. So we got $48. Okay. I don't know about y'all, but $460 is doing good. That was $460 that I didn't have before. So like I said, but it could be different amounts, because if you take this and if you have a little bit more income, you can double it. You can do $2 instead. You can do $4 instead. You can do $6 instead. You can do $8. You can kind of tweak it to however you want it to be. So we have 400. All right, doing too much. So we have $460 extra dollars. That's good, y'all. What y'all say? That's good. I think it's good. Like I said, any amount is, I'm excited. All right, so I'm gonna put that there, and then now we're gonna hop into my new savings challenge. Oh, I was looking for my binder. I was like, where's my binder at? Okay, so I'm gonna tell you the reason why I did my new savings challenge is because there is so many supply shops, so many budgeting things, so many, different things that I see on Instagram that a lot of creative people make, or if I go to Hobby Lobby or whatnot. And sometimes I can't get things because I don't have the cash, or it's not in my budget. So what I've done is, and this could be like a monthly challenge, or this could be like a whenever you want to save and you got like a special project that you want to do, and that way you can pretty much use this challenge for it. So I've already pretty much stuffed. I stuffed part of it. Oh, I forgot. We got to keep it this way because it's not that way, it's this way. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I'm going to explain my thoughts. So y'all know I love color. I love like the what do you want to call it? Like the minimalist, the aesthetic. I love that too, but it's just me. I love color. So I have to be true to myself, so I have to add some color. All right, so this is what it is. So it's a budget and planner supply. So I've already saved $10 with this. So this money right here, I can take and I can buy budgeting or planner supplies, and I have a limit and I have a budget for, because I know sometimes I can go way over. All right, so this here, and also I have a little spot here that you can put like your shop or the store that you need to go to, so that way you can keep focused. So this can be anybody's shop, okay, any store, just so you can keep stay focused. So this savings challenge, you save, I forgot how much you save, y'all. How much? 10 plus 15 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 10 plus 10 plus 20 plus 15. Okay, so this one right here, you save $120 for budgeting and planning supplies. I think that should be a little bit for a little haul that you want to do. I think that'll be good. So my thing is, what I did was so I was trying to do different things. So I did make it where you can actually put it inside of your binder. And then also the cute little envelope that comes with it. Look at this, kawaii style, and everything is like kawaii. So that's why it's called kawaii style, because it's kawaii style, right? All right, so this is the cute little envelope that you put your money in, and it goes so cute with the flow of the design. And then also I do have it where I can also have the, let me grab this one. So I do also have it where you can do it, because some people just like the little cards like this. So I might have it as an option of, and then you can just put that in there and do, well, you can pretty much see it, or you can put it in the back. We're just going to use this one as an example. Or you can put it in the back where you can actually look through it and you can actually see it. But what was I going to say? Oh yeah, some people like it that way, and then some people like it with the holes in it. So that is my that's my new savings challenge, y'all. And then yes, that's it. So thank you guys so much for chilling me. Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you have finished any of your savings challenge, be sure to hop over to my Instagram. It's called 𝗖𝗓𝗄𝗧life, because I do put a lot of releases. Like I said, I'm getting better with doing it over here on my community page. I'm trying. It's a lot. And then also my TikTok is called 𝗖𝗓𝗄𝗧life. And then, like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.